I'm Marge, and I'm, exhausted. My husband Harold, well, let's just say he's a champion snorer. Every night it's the same story. Harold falls asleep and... The next day, I'm a walking disaster. This morning I poured orange juice on my cereal. At work I nearly stapled my tie to my desk. Meanwhile, Harold? He's as chipper as ever, completely oblivious.
Morning, honey. Sleep well.
That's it, I can't take it anymore. Harold, we need to talk about your snoring.
My what? I don't snore.
And that's how we ended up with matching noise-canceling headphones. Now we both sleep like babies.